Genetically modified organisms, as the name implies, is meant to change the genetics or the DNA of plants and other foodstuffs to enhance or alter them. The process that occurs is that a gene is cut out of a cell that has the desired trait for plants. The main means of doing this is taking a small sample of a plant and using a gene gun. The cells are then transferred to new environments with plant growing factors to thus grow the new genetically modified organism. Some of the main GMO crops are beets, soy, canola, cotton, and corn. Some of the main benefits of GMOs are that they can increase the crop strength and yield for more crop production. The increase in production means lower cost of food. Current tests are being done to change the taste of food to allow the consumption of healthier food choices, as sometimes people don't enjoy the taste of vegetables or fruit. There are many perceived drawbacks when it comes to GMOs. There's a lot of stigmas about them being unhealthy and untested, and still being distributed out to communities. Another problem we face is the idea that it offers lower levels of biodiversity. When I say this, I mean organisms in different ecosystems can be harmed because they can no longer survive off of eating a certain plant because they can no longer eat it. When you take away a certain pest, which is harmful to crops, you could be removing another resource for other species, which could definitely change a whole ecosystem. Many GMOs can be found in processed food like soft drinks, fast food, snacks, etc. Now, this poses another problem for unhealthy food, but with further testing, we could find that foods become more healthier as they're trying to make more genetically modified organisms healthier. Another way to solve this problem is also genetically modifying healthier foods to taste better for palates, like the sweet taste, the salty taste, or as opposed to being bitter or plain. Now, with my ethical analysis, I can see how GMOs benefit the greater good and do the least amount of harm. But as it currently stands, GMOs are not currently up to par with what they say they can do and still under research and development. So until then, I don't think they should be distributed just yet, but that still occurs anyway, so we can't stop that now. But with what the future holds is very important. I find that GMOs could be an extremely good way for us to have healthier food options or change healthy foods to fit taste palates. GMOs can help the nutritional value and help diets out, especially for those in low-income neighborhoods, as GMOs lower the prices of crops, thus lowering the price of food. Another important thing to note is that producing GMOs is also a cheaper way for farmers to make money. With the current disadvantages of GMOs, I would find that further testing and research needs to be done for the development and the ultimate use for most people in different communities.